In this video, we're going to adjust our last corner of the div. So right now we have adjusted the top left, top right, and bottom right side of the border radius, but now it's time for the bottom left side. So how are we going to do this one to give this more a rounded part? Well, basically it's very straightforward here. We can say here border dot bottom dot left dot radius. As you can see, it's a quite long command. And in here maybe we can also do a 20 pixels. If we save this, there we are, and we refresh, and then you can see we have this kind of design here. Looks quite nice. So we have now here three sides that is very strong in, or very nice rounded, and then here we have a slightly small curve here in the radius. And this is the way how you can do it. And what we can do with this is basically we could make certain shapes out of this. So let's start and look how we can do this. So let's increase the height here. Let's make some fun. Let's do 150. And we're going to reduce the width to 150 as well. If we save this, we are like this. Well, this is not really what I want. Well, let's make this slightly smaller. 100. And let's make this also smaller, 100. And then here, what we could do is basically here, you could increase the amount here as well. Let's say a 50 pixel design. Now we get what we can see, a small tiny leaf. And if you want this leaf to be solid here, we can do it in here 0, and then we get a nice shape here as well. So with this, you create unique shapes as well based on what you do. Of course, this will always depend on the width here. What we could do probably here is instead of that 50%, let's double check. If you save that, there you are. So now what happens is 50% is being changed, and 50% is also 50 pixels. Why? Because the width and the height was 100. So 50% of this size here creates a nice leaf. And this is quite fun because with this is square, this basically should be called leaf. And let's change this as well in our CSS to leaf. And then we have a new leaf class here. And imagine you want another one. You say leaf. Let's give this a leaf right. And then we say here leaf right. We can almost copy all of this, put it here, and then we say leaf right. And now the only thing that will be changed is maybe the radius. Maybe we can say leaf right, but at the bottom right. So we will make here 0. And if you have a pixel here of 0, you can also put in 0, just blank, or 0%, it doesn't matter. And then here, what do you just move here to 50%? If you save this and refresh, now what we have is a leaf pointing to the right side bottom, and this one is left side top. And this is quite fun, and this is really nice because now you can make shapes out of a div that is not that common, and you don't have to use any image because you just use pure CSS, saving you a lot in loading time of kilobytes of whatever the image size is. You just have it here in a small line of code. Alright, so with this you can play around and do a lot more. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.